Have you ever found yourself wondering how to identify animal tracks in real life? Well, you're not alone. Many people have this curiosity, whether they're in the heart of the wilderness or just exploring their own backyard. It's a fascinating skill that can connect us more deeply to the world around us, and one that can be developed with a bit of knowledge, practice, and a good dose of patience. The process of identifying animal tracks, also known as tracking, is more than just about recognizing a paw print in the mud. It's about piecing together a story from the clues left behind by our furry, feathered, and even scaled friends. But where does one begin? Well, it all starts with observation. Observing is a core principle in Montessori teaching methods where children learn by engaging directly with their environment. It's about taking a moment to truly see what's around you, and in this case, what's beneath your feet. Now imagine you're out on a walk and you stumble upon a set of prints. The first thing you'd want to do is to take a good look at them. What's the size? What's the shape? Can you count the number of toes? Are there claw marks? These are all crucial questions that can help narrow down what animal might have left those prints. For instance, a round print with 5 toes and visible claw marks might have been left by a raccoon, while a larger oval-shaped print with 4 toes could belong to a deer. Remember, though, that size and shape can vary significantly within the same species, much like humans. But don't stop at just observing the prints. Look around. What kind of environment are you in? A rabbit is more likely to be found in a grassy field, while a bear might leave its mark near a forest or stream. And what about the pattern of the tracks? Animals move in different ways. Some hop, some waddle, some run. The distance and arrangement of the prints can give you a clue about the animal's gait and therefore its identity. Just like a detective, you're piecing together the clues. But remember, it's not always about getting the answer right. It's about the process, the learning, the connection to nature. So, to summarize, identifying animal tracks is a journey of observation and discovery. Start with the size and shape of the prints, count the toes, look for claw marks, consider the environment and the pattern of the tracks. And most importantly, be patient, be curious, and enjoy the process. And who knows, with practice and a keen eye, you just might become the Sherlock Holmes of animal tracks.